Hello students, today I am going to make you understand about the nitrogen cycle of class 8. Before I start, first of all we should know what is this nitrogen cycle. What do we mean by this nitrogen cycle? It is the process in which nitrogen in the atmosphere is passed into the soil and life forms and then released back into the atmosphere is called nitrogen cycle. There are so many biogeochemical cycles found in atmosphere. बहुत सारे biogeochemical cycles हैं. बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल का मतलब है कि किसी भी एलिमेंट्स या कंपाउंड का लिविंग क्रिएचर्स और फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट से होते हुए वापस एटमॉस्फेयर में चले जाना और मेंटेन रखना अपने क्वांटिटी को इज कॉल्ड बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू नो अबाउट दिस नाइट्रोजन. We all know nitrogen is essential gas for the growth and development of plants and animals. And it is found 78% in the atmosphere. ये 78% एटमॉस्फेयर में पाया जाता है, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली डायरेक्ट ना तो एनिमल और ना ही प्लांट्स इसे ले सकते हैं जब तक कि इसे कन्वर्ट ना किया जाए नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड में. ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि एटमॉस्फेयर में पाया जाने वाला नाइट्रोजन ट्रिपल बॉन्डिंग का होता है और उसे हम बाइनाइट्रेट कहते हैं, जो कि डिज़ोल्व नहीं हो सकता है वाटर में एंड इट मे गिव एडवर्स इफेक्ट by converting into an acid. So that is why they are first converted by the different kinds of bacteria into the soil compound and then it is absorbed by the plants. और तब इसे plants absorb करते हैं और अपने growth and development के लिए use करते हैं. This nitrogen cycle completes in 4 steps. It completes in 4 steps. Nitrification, assimilation, ammonification and denitrification. But before that, nitrogen fixation is done. What do we mean by nitrogen fixation? The conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into useful nitrogenous compound is called nitrogen fixation. Is what called nitrogen fixation. And this nitrogen fixation is done by bacteria. You may have heard about rhizobium bacteria, rhizobium, blue-green algae. These all are the bacteria and algae which are responsible for converting this nitrogen element into nitrogen compound. And where are they found? They are found in the root nodules of leguminous plant. Root nodules of the leguminous plant. And blue-green algae helps in aquatic plants. So now let us start nitrogen cycle. The first one I told you, this nitrogen is very essential part for all living beings as protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. So first of all, this nitrogen compound is converted into ammonium. It is converted into ammonium and this conversion is done by the help of nitrogen fixing bacteria. It is done by the nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae. This ammonium gets changed into nitrate. This ammonium gets changed into nitrate by the action of bacteria. And this process is called nitrification. This process is what called nitrification. The first I told you that atmospheric nitrogen is converted into nitrogenous compound like ammonium. And with the help of nitrogen fixing bacteria, it is converted into nitrate. And this is all done by the action of bacteria. This process is called nitrification. This process is what called nitrification. This nitrates can directly be taken by the plants. ये जो nitrate convert हुआ है nitrification process के द्वारा, ये direct भी plant ले सकता है या फिर plant इसे plant protein में synthesize करके भी ले सकता है. Same plant protein is given or passed to the animals through the food chain. Because we know that green plants are called autotrophs or producers which are taken by the consumers. So पहले food chain में इसे herbivores लेते हैं and then herbivores के बाद it goes to carnivores. So this is what is the food chain. So directly or indirectly this plant protein is passed to the herbivores and then to carnivores. And this passing of food in the form of protein to herbivores and to the carnivores, this process is called assimilation. This process is what called? Assimilation. Means what? That the food chain from plants to herbivores and from herbivores to carnivores is called assimilation. When the same plants and animals die, then what happen? जब यही plants और animals मरते हैं तो इन्हें bacteria and fungi decompose कर देते हैं. That we know that they are environment cleaner. ये इन्हें decompose कर देते हैं और इनमें पाया जाने वाला जो nitrogenous waste है वो soil में mix हो जाता है और फिर से plants के द्वारा यूज़ कर लिया जाता है for their proper growth and development as plant protein. वही नाइट्रोजिनस वेस्ट फिर से प्लांट्स अपने रूट से एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं, लिविंग प्लांट्स. और कुछ जो होते हैं, कुछ जो नाइट्रोजिनस वेस्ट होते हैं, उन्हें एटमॉस्फेयर में नाइट्रोजन एलिमेंट के रूप में रिलीज कर दिया जाता है. ये किनके द्वारा किया जाता है? दिस इज डन बाय सम बैक्टीरियाज लाइक नाइट्रोबैक्टर. What is this called? This is done by the bacteria like Nitrobacter. What they do? They convert this nitrogenous waste in nitrogen element, and once again these nitrogens are released into the atmosphere. So what we have seen? We have seen that atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia, then nitrates, then nitrites, and then it is taken by the soil. But when the plants and animals die, once again they get mixed in the soil. Some of them are utilized by the plants and some are once again released into the atmosphere. So is it not a like cycle? Is it not like cycle? So this is why the name is given nitrogen cycle. What is the name given? Nitrogen cycle. Rhizobium and blue-green algae is responsible for nitrogen fixation. Nitrification is done by Nitrosomonas and denitrification is done by Nitrobacter. So I hope you people have understood this nitrogen cycle. If you have understood, so I request you, please write comment and like. Thank you all of you.